Hi guys, welcome to Doing Marie in the Netherlands. My name is Marie. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I style my homemade ponytail. I love this. I made this. I can't believe I made this. I had this idea and I've tried it and it worked. Look at them curls. Look at them curls. If you don't know how to make this one, please look at my previous video. I have shown how to make this thing. Unfortunately, I cannot put like a bang thumbnail because YouTube is not allowing me yet. My channel is new, so yeah. So this is what it looks like. I mean, like, I didn't want to make it like too full. I wanted to make it realistic, to make it look realistic and not make it like really bum. You know, I can still like do some of uncurl, like what you call it, undo some of these curls like that to make it fuller, just like that. But okay, so this video is me showing you how I do the ponytail. Let me see if I got this camera right in there. So that is how my hair is like. So guys, my battery died, so but I am back. Okay, so I was talking about my beautiful ponytail. I've been waiting for this damn battery to charge, all right? So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I do my ponytail. So the ponytail's right here, so I'm just gonna get right into this video because we've been waiting for this battery, right? That is what my ponytail is like, what my hair is like. I did put it on this knot. I had this for like almost a whole week. So I did. So that is how my ponytail is looking like. I don't mind having a little bit of hair sticking out. I love that actually. So I like it messy, just like you see. I like it messy. And yeah, that is how the hair is looking like. I'm not mad at all. I am not mad at all. I love the result. And that's it. Just something natural looking, simple looking, and that's what we just did. So don't mind my makeup-less face. I just put a little bit of lipstick and that's it. I can't be bothered putting makeup on my face on a daily basis. So yeah, so that's it guys. It was a very short video, but I hope it was helpful for a daily hairstyle. As I said, I had this hairstyle like this for like this whole week and I'm happy with it. So that means low manipulation, but you also got a little something up there, you know. And that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and if you are new, welcome, and don't forget to subscribe of course, and like, comment and share, and I will see you into my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.